Hi, my name is Matthew Krupsak, and this is a demonstration of Theta Informatics' OpenAthena software for iOS and Android. OpenAthena introduces a novel terrain-raycast technique for remote sensing by drone. For any single pixel of any single drone image, OpenAthena can calculate its precise ground location. This is extremely useful for time-sensitive remote sensing applications such as search and rescue, public safety, and defense. For any selected point within a drone image, OpenAthena calculates its precise location using a terrain raycast against a digital elevation model. This allows a ground location to be shared accurately to shared situational awareness platforms such as ATAC. Depending on the slant angle from drone to target, the predicted maximum circular error will be anywhere between 5 and 75 meters. Typically, slant angles downward from the horizon of at least 10 degrees or more are required for accurate calculation. The software supports multiple different coordinate systems for output, including the CK42 Gauss-Kruger system commonly used by many former Warsaw Pact countries. It also supports standard latitude-longitude and metric or imperial units for elevation data. It supports one-click copy-paste for the messaging app of your choice. And we can see here that for the digital elevation model file cache, it'll automatically express the boundaries of each elevation file in your selected coordinate system. The app uses this cache directory to find an elevation model file for your selected drone image automatically. It contains a database of camera parameters for most common drone cameras, as well as an API key for the Open Topography service, which can be used for downloading a digital elevation model file, as shown here. Once a digital elevation model file is downloaded for an area, the software will be able to select it automatically for later use offline. The software also supports manual loading of digital elevation model files, such as from a USB thumb drive. Once an elevation model file is imported, it'll automatically be added to the cache, where it will be selected automatically when a drone image in the covered area is loaded. The software also supports an alternative Maritime mode for calculations using mean sea level instead of any terrain elevation model. This makes it extremely flexible for use either on land or in maritime environments.